So I'm back. Relax. I'm alive. Don't worry about it. Just got this pit bike with a buddy, and I put sealed this cover up. Some nice RTV. The stator cover's cracked. I took a look at the transmission. Looks good. The chain. Not, I also adjusted the clutch so it throws now correctly. And then I spilled gas all over my floor, so now I can't turn the heat on, which that kind of sucks because it's like 25 degrees outside. I just fixed this fuel line and drained all the old gas out of it, so I'm gonna put some premium in it. Not much. It's only like a few quarts. It's not really a big tank. Watch for leaks. It's trickling in there now. You got gas in the filter? Not yet. Probably only holds about a gallon. Oh, okay, there we go. I'll have to go pick up some gas tomorrow. Oh yeah, it's full. Alright, let's see. Is the filter full? That's good. What if I do this? Doesn't feel like we have any leaks. Oh, there we go. That's good. Fuel line's a little kinked, but no one really cares. Needs a spark plug because that is non-existent. Other than that, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 gears. Should be a little wheelie machine at this point. I might not even need any engine upgrades other than a better fuel system. And maybe more fuel, because I was gonna ride it to like people's houses and stuff. I was gonna see if I could make it all the way to my buddy's track, but it only holds like less than a half gallon of fuel, so that might be interesting. Front tire's flat. Don't really care about that either. Brakes work good now. Clutch is great. I think all I need to do is replace the spark plug wire, the spark plug, and then kick it like 500 times until it starts. Probably just end up bump starting it. Hopefully it's not too sketchy, because I want to do like 12 o'clock wheelies.